Meaning of Edith Wharton.
Edith Wharton.
Edith Wharton.
Edith Wharton.
Edith Wharton. Edith Wharton was an American author and novelist who lived from 1862 to 1937. She was the first woman to win the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction in 1921 for her novel The Age of Innocence. Wharton's works typically explored the wealthy upper-class society of New York City during the turn of the 20th century. Her writing often focused on themes of social class, gender roles, and the struggle for personal freedom in a restrictive society. Today, Edith Wharton is considered one of the most important American authors of the early 20th century.